As we know, there are many types of force in our human's life, like the gravity, frictions, tensions, and momentum. But wait, what is momentum? Well, let's talk about collision first. The collision is a noun that describes two objects are impacting each other. During this time, the momentum is happened. For instance, one guy is using kung fu to hit another guy by using his foot. So at this time, when his foot hits right on another people's face, the momentum is happened. Because of the momentum, the shape of molecule and the molecular bonds on that person's face is changing. Well, we can use a formula to describe the momentum, which is momentum equals to mass times velocity. Moreover, impulse is the rate of change of momentum. It is the area under the function curve between t1 and t2. Then, there is an easy way to show the amount of changing in the momentum by using momentum bar chart. Well, as we know, there are some connections between momentum and the Newton's law. Alright, let's get back to the Newton's law. According to the Newton's second law, for each object during the collisions is dp over dt equals to fs 1 on 2 as well as negative of fs 2 on 1. We can define the total momentum is sigma I starts from 1 to n momentum. In the system, dp over dt equals to sum of f1 on 2 and f2 on 1, and plus the sum of external forces. But note that the f1 on 2 and f2 on 1 is equals to 0. So, the net force is sum of external forces. In an isolated system, the sum of external force is 0, so the sum of momentum does not change. In addition, we can use formula to describe this. P final is equal to P initial. For now, we just finished talking about elastic. Now let us focus on the inelastic. In elastic, there are no conservation of energy, and there is something which is not allowing the behavior of elastic. For instance, bullet is getting to the block, and the block is keep forward with bullet. But the interesting point is initial of the total momentum equals to the final of total momentum. On the other hand, initial of the total energy is not equal to the final for the total energy. Alright, let's jump to the explosion. During the explosion, the momentum of the particle cancel each other since they are pointed in opposite directions to the center of masses. The center of mass is just a point in the space. The total of the system is equal to 0 because it was 0 at the beginning. There are forces causing these motions, but they are internal. The last one is the momentum in two dimensions. For instance, in a pool table, there are momentum vectors. In this type of situation, we could be asked for the velocity with the direction, so the conservation of momentum is needed. I hope you guys can enjoy this video, and I hope you guys can remember the beautiful word, momentum. If you like this video, don't forget to vote for Group 45. Thanks for watching.